Boom, you know it's a boy Worlhed and we're there with the next video. So today I'm gonna show you guys the one of the fastest way to make um juggling within Serato. So you guys know me already. I know say I make a lot of something there. Juggling crates. You understand? I make them a lot and I share how to make them. So I'm going to teach you guys something today. So let's jump into this video. How to make juggling crates faster within Serato. I will a few tricks.
Really the grand prime. You're the sickest, you're the maddest.
Yo, Worlhed.
I am a star.
I mean, I say Worlhed, you know, it thing come down, you know.
Alright guys, so there and we look on my computer. When I realize I'm there play some music out of this bad rhythm. You see. I remember Chimney Records produced it because he name right here, so Chimney Records and them produced a rhythm back in 2014. So say for instance, you see me now, I approach me juggling them like this. I will build juggling within Serato. You see it? See it? As I see me have something else, so these are jugglings. And me juggle one event. And while me did that event I juggle, me throwing some bad songs will pop up in my head and me mix them. And I say, boom, but then transition you mad. So what I do now is when I go home, I come to that tab right here, so and it mark history. And I just simple jog this and I throw it over here. So in here, either I come here so I create or I put that back. Or I go down at the empty slot down here so and release him. Then I rename it. But here's the thing now. Here's the thing. I give you this gem. So me as a DJ like this. Many times me there at home and me there in my yard and me we go through my music. You get where I come from? Before an event. And while me I go through the music before the event, you know say tracks are gonna come in the history here so and be a problem. Get what I say? There might be a problem. So you know what I do now? Anytime you know say I go through them while me there at home and my library have me like in there, so all I do is I delete. You see it, bro? I delete it. I delete the history for that particular day. You see, so I got the event now, and I load up my Serato, everything fresh and crisp. Yeah, man. So anything me jog come home and I say, oh, tonight, bam, me do it. You see, so I go to work, bro. So I go to work. All me do, because I try to do this less, although I realize because it's a habit, but we tease a song, then go play one next song. All I do is just look at the duration over here, so playtime. When I see, look at the playtime, you know, and then you know how long we play that song there for. So you know, so yo, Med Continent, I never played. The time I upload him, I never played. So we can go down to this song and we play 6 minutes because I pull you up. I pull you up and I search for our next song for road. So it go. So this is one of the fastest way to make juggling. Is it hardest way the fastest way to make more juggling. Because many DJs don't know, but you see more juggling you have and the more you can go through your create them and say, oh, since me there, so I'm not play that song here, you know. I'm in the same type of zone. Yeah. Because look, me now we have this song and he songs them in a Serato and then we have all them in our one folder like this. And I want folder everything would have there so. I would have full enough song like how just a full enough song. You get to me I say? And then you have to search. But sometimes we don't want to do all of that. You get to me I come from? Yeah man. Sometimes we don't want to really do all of that. So yeah, that is a quick way how we can go to work. Many of them song many of them no retag yet, as in the metadata within Serato no do because me delete some of them. So yeah. So now watch how them the untidy. Cause once them do go through and play, them they set up. I mean, no, when you say, oh, me, I was talk about some date. You can still find them for them song, this case. Cause look here. See it? Label up properly. Yeah, man. So, that's one of the fastest way to make juggling. Two, playing music at home. Yes, I said home. Yeah, so playing music at home is one of a good way to actually make juggling crates. So we there your yard and you're going through some music on your computer and you just jog them, put them inside our crate because the song them sound similar, same BPM key and everything there. And you throw them into a crate. Doing so too, you can also end up jog the entire history as I'm going to show you and compare the crates them and say, yeah, and then I make a masterpiece out of it because that's how I create many crates, to be honest. I run through music and I create them. So I got events, I know where to find crates. Two, these are unethical and many people are going to bash me for saying this, but you can also create playlists and crates from other DJ sets. Moment of silence because I know I say we're not going to say something about it. But hear me out. As an upcoming DJ, and not to say upcoming, as a starting out DJ, you do not know the. So for instance, you don't know music to that. You see it, and you hear music, but you don't know music, the song them name. All I do is listen to your favorite DJ, live audio, or a mixtape. And what you can do is use the for on favorite tool. And this year I go say yes, I then favorite tool for you, Shazam. I'm not going to cap. That is one of my favorite tools. I mean, yeah, man. Me I tell you, me give you some sauce, bro. Shazam and the next one called Soundhound. That baby, those two has made me find so many old hits music, bro, and helped me rename a lot of untitled tracks within my computer. Shazam and Soundhound. Yeah, they do work, but they can't find every song. So some songs you're going to need to find the song and the rhythm, a song and the rhythm, then you find the rhythm, then you go over to this source now. Come back to the computer screen. I'm gonna show on it. Alright, we are gonna just use something there. Library there, something. Come there, watch that interview there and all. Alright, so let me find first and showing up on the screen. This website, it's named Rhythm Guide. This website. Use this website and then all you do is listen to the songs and the lyrics, the lyrics of the song I should say, and compare them to the title of the tracks because with many of the old school songs them, not all, many of them are titled off words that are in the song. Like for instance, this song when named Bloodstain. The one that named Bloodstain. You get me? I say that in the song it says so. All you have to do is just hear Bloodstain, you say Bloodstain, you just put it beside your name right and I hit that, bro. But I'm telling you when this comes tricky within the old school music is when there are multiple songs under one rhythm that actually have similar titles or the same title. Meaning two different artists have one song on a rhythm, have two different artists with two different songs with the same title. Yeah, that happened to me a lot. So that will catch you. You understand? And when that happen, all I do is just say 1 year V1, 1 year V2, and I'm gone. Because don't stress yourself over it. Once you can identify those specific songs, good. Yeah. But that merely happen with all music, like studio ones. Should I use the studio one? Because studio one, but all schools still. I'm going to get where I come from. Yeah. And you guys can also use Serato Serato playlist it's on the website, but you need a Serato account to actually access it. You can use a free account. You can create jugglings from there so as well. You know, guys might wonder why me I telling you these. It's because I have realized a lot of young DJs are following this account, bro, and I never knew there's so much on. And the questions that are in my request regarding to this are different. I'm some big man, bro, in an age, but then just going to music because they love it and they are overseas. They ask these questions and we are sharing knowledge so both age group can get a whole. You get me? I say, yeah. So not yet, yeah, but I don't know me I say. So yeah, you guys can just do that. You understand? Sir, as me say, over Serato, using up your history, playing at home, and using up your history, live audios and mixtape using SoundHound or Shazam. Those are ways you can make jugglings and continue. But please note, not because I say you have to go use the man them place and make on a crate mean say when I forgot a party go play the same way as on have it in the crate. No. You don't get in those songs within crates. It's just you using them to collect music. If you're going to want to play those crates, you know after looking yourself and say, yo, really want to be a copy and paste of a man? No. Me know no answer go be no. So you're gonna know you're gonna spend time. Then where you gonna spend now if you formulate up your crates and you're juggling them to how you juggle. So you hold it in the place they wanna build from half a live audios and mixtape, we're not gonna modify them to how uno juggle and how uno normally and just gonna get a start. You see? Cause bro, I'm telling you guys, doing this, you can actually get a lot of songs. And you find by listening live audios, you get introduced to a lot of songs. By listening mixtapes, you get introduced to a lot of songs. Worse, if you're a traveling DJ and you're young, you might say, yo, I don't know if I can play my tune here. So, and by listening a couple live audios, yo, you know, so people really know them tune and all. And then be alone with a young with selector play them. And then again, you can even look on it like how me look on it. Me say, and the rhythm and then dog, you know, play that bad song, yeah. I like that song, yeah. Somebody out there must like that song, yeah. Because you listen to them one and you say, oh, them not play that song there. So I'm going to play that song, yeah. Because it happened, no. Alright. Quick history lesson about me. When me play music, I used to collect, when me play for my father's son, I collect rhythms to rhythms, as you guys can see. And there is this one rhythm that I really loved. And it's called Cure Pain rhythm. And that song, it wasn't the Alkaline, it was my favorite song on the rhythm. And it wasn't the Cartel. You see it? You know which song was my favorite on that rhythm until it's blessed door? The K Marley. Yeah man, if I saw any name pronounce, don't get me the dog song say. Cause when I play the rhythm, you know, I always put it there. I always put it in a mix. Any part of it. The dog, my favorite part of the song is when the dog look on the woman and say, can I get a moment of your time?
I would like to know your name.
Yo, what I call talk about say you? The man bad you. That's my favorite song. And just to tell you say, enough selector hear me play this song, bro, and I say, bro, you don't need them this song, then the song gonna hit on the rhythm. And best believe, I remember when I went to an event, you know, and I select away him and my father good. That was say, yo, you don't need the hits, you don't need nothing else on the rhythm than just the hits. Bro, you see me drop the Kim and the Marley there, bro. Me say, me never know say a song when me alone listen to. People out there listen to the song, bro. And me say the forward when me get. Me say, bomba. I saw me sit down and look back, you. How me a go who be a look and I say, yo, this is what me a go do. Songs when me like, me go start introduce them to different crowd. Cause if me like them, let me say people out there like them. I know the next thing what happened was when Alkaline dropped fast. I'm gonna talk about this now. When the song the DJ drop, I have some DJ brethren and I play the song. And me play that at one bar. Yeah, see it, one bar with on the road. Every man I look at me and say, yo, the alkaline, the mad youth. Introduce them to a new song. You see it, I saw enough to do it, bro. You can't go just copy the man them playlist and go play it back same way, so that is just, bro, that is just you being a copycat. But when you copy it now, and you use that the layout as a preset, and you go into your works, guys. If you go buy a crate from some man, bro, just use the crate as preset and you add a flavor to it. Don't be copy and paste, guys. If you copy and paste, 10 more man go buy that the crate in front of man go be copy and paste though. Or 10 copy and paste that, bro. You see? But yeah, just share my knowledge. Thanks again. Like, share, subscribe, and just make some juggling. I think I'm going to start one local platform or one local group where we can share crates, but not all on the crates. Just share crates to teach younger DJs them. So yo, certain tune can play, bro. You see, cause we don't play for the next selector, bro. We play for the crowd. You see? So yeah, big up.
Worlhed the Grand Prime. You're the sickest, you're the maddest.
Yo, Worlhed.
I am a star.
I mean, I say, Worlhed, you know, I think come down, you know.